This is a test of my Bang & Olufsen Beomaster 900. It's a work in progress. I've just repaired the power regulator. It's a germanium transistor in there somewhere, and I'm running it off a 30-volt power supply. Let's see if it works. Power on. Drawing 0.08 amps. It's off. Let's turn it on. This should be the tape input. It's connected to the computer. Drawing 0.2 amps. That's the post regulator voltage. The input is... oh, yep. It's shorted. Yeah. I'm quite certain the power regulator power transistor shorted there. It went snap and started drawing power until the current limit on the power supply